August 4th. It's late in the evening, and we're going for a little walk on the Holland Nature Trail.
This is just walking, this is not camping. Camping is sleeping outside.
Hello, Peyton.
Hey.
Hello, Noah. You're supposed to turn around and wave, goofball. So, as y'all can see, we have our torch bearers here. Stop, stop. Stop walking.
You going this way?
Brandon and Garrett. And we're going to take this spooky path this way. Spooky path.
We wish you were here and you could walk with us and Paige. We wish we were here so we could walk.
Hi. At least I wish we were here.
This is our little clearing here. I think we're going to take a daytime video. Assuming I don't choke to death. Alrighty, further into the bush. This is the new path that we cut. As you can see, it's a little dense. Stand right there, Garrett. As you can tell, when I say dense, I mean it's pretty dense. Very thick briar canopy, but nothing that a machete in half a day couldn't take care of. Proceed, Mr. Garrett. You girls okay back here?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll make sure we have no Blair Witch stuff going on.
I'm leaving us.
Tell Brandon not to throw his torch in the lake. And like every good horror movie, we have found the creepy pond. Let me see your flashlight, Tim. Of course, it helps when you made the creepy pond and know exactly where it's at to find it. But for artistic purposes, we don't discuss that. So you can see there's a beaver pond over there, hopefully. Alright guys, if you want to pitch your lights into the pond. Woo! It's like fireworks.
I knew that.
I can't see where I'm going.
Come on,
I knew that was going to happen. I hit the tree.
It exploded.
Yeah, I didn't know it was going to explode, but I threw it in there at the tree.
And now we have concluded half of our walk. And we didn't videotape it all. What you probably didn't catch on the video is, I know from the sound of my deep, masculine, fit, athletic voice, that you would never believe I was anything other than a gym rat. But in fact, when you're fat, this is a long, long walk. So here we go, humping back. So My favorite part of the nighttime walk is nature. As you can hear, people talk about city noise and talk about getting out in the country where it's quiet. I can hardly say I think it's quiet, but it sure is nice out here. Crickets, frogs. It's like they got their own little orchestra. So I'm gonna shut up so you can listen to it. Well, that's probably about all your average YouTuber has the patience to listen to. So I guess I'll end it there. Think about recording an album with that song you just heard. So, till we talk again.